You are watching Muhammad Amir official YouTube channel. Nuraldin, the light of faith in the Crusader era. In the tumultuous times of the Crusades, one name shines brightly in the annals of history: Nuraldin Mahmud Zengi. Commonly known as Nur ad-Din, meaning light of the faith, in Arabic, he was a pivotal figure in the Zengid dynasty that ruled the Syrian province of the Seljuk Empire from 1146 to 1174. His reign, marked by military prowess, strategic alliances, and a vision for a united Muslim front against the Crusaders, has left an indelible mark on the history of the Middle East. War against Crusaders. Nur ad-Din's early years as ruler saw him confronting the Crusader presence in Syria, a cause he inherited from his father, Imad al-Din Zengi. Following the assassination of his father in 1146, Nur ad-Din took control of Aleppo while his older brother governed Mosul. The border between their realms was the Khabur River, and almost immediately, Nur ad-Din launched an offensive against the Principality of Antioch, capturing key territories in the north of Syria. In 1147, he forged alliances with Muslim neighbors and signed a treaty with Mu'in ad-Din Ana, the governor of Damascus. Despite facing suspicions from Ana, Nur ad-Din expanded his influence by capturing Arta, Kafar Lada, Basarfut, and Bara. When the Second Crusade, led by Louis VII of France and Conrad III of Germany, arrived in 1148 with the goal of recovering Edessa, Nur ad-Din's victories and the Crusaders' losses in Asia Minor made their original objective practically impossible. Nur ad-Din took advantage of the Crusaders' failure to mount another offensive, capturing territories around Antioch in 1149. The Battle of Inab saw the destruction of the Crusader army and the death of Raymond of Poitiers, the Prince of Antioch. Although Nur ad-Din symbolically bathed in the Mediterranean to express dominance, he refrained from attacking Antioch itself, content with securing territories east of the Orontes. Unification of Sultanate. Nur ad-Din's dream was to unite Muslim forces from the Euphrates to the Nile against the Crusaders. With the death of his brother Saif ad-Din Ghazi in 1149, Nur ad-Din achieved the unification of Aleppo and Mosul. Damascus remained the final obstacle. After the failure of the Second Crusade, Nur ad-Din faced resistance from Damascus, but the city's weakening leadership allowed him to overthrow Mujir ad-Din in 1154, annexing Damascus to Zengid territory and unifying Syria under his rule. During this period, Nur ad-Din sponsored numerous public works, including madrasas, bimaristans, hospitals, and caravansarais. He held court regularly, allowing people to seek justice directly from him, reinforcing his reputation as a just ruler. The problem of Egypt. As the Crusaders looked south to expand their territory, Nur ad-Din's attention turned to Egypt. A series of events, including political instability and internal conflicts, created an opportunity for the Crusaders to invade. Nur ad-Din intervened, leading campaigns against the Crusaders in Syria to divert their attention. In 1164, Nur ad-Din, urged by his Kurdish general Shirkuh, invaded Egypt, overthrowing the ruler Dirgham. Despite initial setbacks, including a failed Crusader campaign led by Amalrikai, Nur ad-Din eventually gained control of Egypt in 1169. This marked a significant achievement in his goal of uniting Muslim states against the Crusaders. Death and legacy. Nur ad-Din's reign saw him engaging in conflicts against the Ottomans in the north and settling disputes among his nephews after the death of his brother Qutb ad-Din. In 1170, he fell ill and succumbed to complications from a peritonsillar abscess at the age of 56. His legacy lived on through his young son, as Saleh Ismail al-Malik, and his vassal, Saladin. Nur ad-Din's legacy extends beyond his military achievements. His dedication to justice, religious tolerance, and promotion of Sunni Islam through public works left an enduring impact on the region. His vision for a united Muslim front against the Crusaders was ultimately realized by Saladin, solidifying Nur ad-Din's place as a legendary figure in the history of the Middle East. Nuraldin Mahmud Zengi, the light of faith, emerged as a formidable leader during the tumultuous era of the Crusades. His strategic brilliance, military achievements, and dedication to justice and religious tolerance shaped the course of history in the Middle East. Nur ad-Din's dream of a united Muslim front against the Crusaders paved the way for the eventual success of Saladin. As we reflect on this historical figure, we recognize Nur ad-Din's enduring legacy as a symbol of courage, piety, and the unwavering pursuit of justice.